Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock websites on school web Chrome. So all you need to do is open Google Docs, prepare your Google Doc and then open a new tab and then search for the website you want to open, for example Instagram, and then copy the URL and then press on insert link and then press on apply, and then for example search for the login link for this website. Then you copy the link, insert link, and then apply. And now all you need to do is download your file as a PDF. Open your file and then press on the link. The link will be opened from the PDF, so it can bypass some of the school restrictions. And this is one of the methods of unblocking a website in school web Chrome. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.